One day, a lion was sleeping under a big tree. A little mouse was playing nearby. The mouse ran across the lion's nose. The lion woke up suddenly. He caught the mouse with his big paw. The mouse was very frightened.
Please let me go. I am sorry. One day I may help you.
The lion laughed.
You are so small. How can you help me?
But the lion was kind. He opened his paw and let the mouse go.
Thank you, lion.
A few days later, the lion was walking through the forest. Suddenly, he stepped into a hunter's net. The net pulled him into the air. The lion roared loudly.
Help! Help!
The little mouse heard the roar. He ran quickly to the lion.
Don't worry, lion.
The mouse began to bite the ropes with his sharp teeth. He worked and worked. Soon the ropes broke. The lion was free.
Thank you, little mouse. You saved my life.
I told you that even a small mouse can help a big lion.
From that day on, the lion and the mouse became good friends.